Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You open the file and start removing the page border now. First, make sure the document is saved and you're working on a copy if the file is critical. Then go straight to the Design tab in recent Word versions or Layout in older builds and find Page Borders or Borders and Shading. This step locates the border control where Word stores the style, width, and application scope. Once done, you're ready to switch to the removal action in the next step. You now remove the border by adjusting the dialog settings. In Page Borders, choose None to clear all visible frames. Alternatively, deselect the specific box or shadow style if present. Make sure Apply To is set correctly. Choose Whole Document to remove every page border or this section if only part needs change. Confirm the preview shows no lines, then click OK to apply. If the border persists, proceed to the next slide to check section breaks and header/footer graphics. You finish by verifying a few common causes of persistent borders. First, reveal section breaks and confirm no section-specific page borders remain. Delete or change them to none if needed. Next, check header/footer and any background or watermark images. Sometimes a graphic mimics a border and must be removed separately. If a stubborn line still appears, clear formatting on the affected pages or paste content into a fresh blank document and reapply necessary styles. One troubleshooting tip: inspect print layout and print preview to ensure it really is gone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.